Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to quickly react to group messages on WhatsApp using your PC. With the new update, you can now add a personal touch to your group chats by using emoji reactions directly from your computer. Let's dive into the simple steps to get you started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in by scanning the QR code with your mobile device. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to leave your reaction. Scroll through the conversation until you find the message that deserves your response. Now here's where the magic happens. Right-click on the message you want to react to. A menu will pop up, and from the options, choose the reaction option. This will open up a variety of emojis for you to select from. Whether you want to express excitement, agreement, or laughter, there's an emoji for every feeling. Select the reaction that best represents your response to the message. Click on it, and you've just added your reaction to the conversation. It's that simple. With this feature, you can quickly engage with messages in your group chats, making your interactions more expressive and fun. The new Quick Reaction feature on WhatsApp Web is designed to enhance your messaging experience. It allows you to respond promptly to messages without having to type out a full response. Whether you're in a busy group chat or just want to add a bit of personality to your messages, reactions are the way to go. By following these steps, you can easily participate in group discussions and express yourself creatively. So, go ahead and try it out today. Reacting to messages on WhatsApp Web is now easier than ever, and it's a great way to make your online interactions more engaging and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to quickly react to messages in WhatsApp group chats on your PC.